In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for an otter.ai account. Whether you're looking to transcribe meetings, lectures, or personal notes, otter.ai offers a powerful tool to convert speech into text easily. Signing up is simple, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to go to the otter.ai website. Open your favorite web browser and type in otter.ai in the address bar, then hit enter. You'll land on the home page where you can begin the sign up process. Once you're on the otter.ai homepage, keep an eye out for the Start for Free button. It should be visible, typically highlighted to catch your attention. This is your gateway to creating a new account with ease. So go ahead and click on Start for Free. Having clicked the button, you'll be presented with different plan options. Otter.ai offers a few choices, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll focus on the basic or free plan. This plan allows you to explore otter.ai without any initial cost, making it perfect for new users who want to test the waters. After selecting the free plan, you'll see the Get Started button. Clicking this will take you to the Sign Up Options page, where you can choose how you want to register your account. Otter.ai offers various sign-up methods for convenience. If you prefer simplicity, you might opt to sign up using your email. For this, you'll need to provide some basic details. Enter your first and last name, a valid email address where you can receive communications, and then create a strong password. Make sure it's something you'll remember, but not too easy for others to guess. With all your details correctly filled in, the next step is to click on the Create Account button. This finalizes your registration and sets up your otter.ai account. Congratulations! You now have access to a host of features designed to make voice transcription a breeze. Remember, getting started with otter.ai opens a world of possibilities. Whether you're a student trying to capture complex lectures or a professional needing to transcribe meetings, this tool can be incredibly beneficial. Explore the platform and experiment with its various functions to get the most out of your new account. And there we have it. You're now ready to start using otter.ai to transcribe and organize voice recordings efficiently. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy transcribing!